Hey, what's up guys? Jeremy with Everything iDevice, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to downgrade from iOS 7 back to 6.1.3 or 6.1.4 depending on what device you're downgrading. Now I'll leave links down in the description for the firmware downloads which you will need, either like I said the 6.1.3 or the 6.1.4, so those links are down below. Also I'll put down a link on which which version of those firmwares you would need. It's kind of like a little guide showing you for which carrier you have and which device it is. Again, both links are down in the description. So first thing is go ahead and make sure your device is plugged into your computer via USB. And now we're going to go ahead and jump over to my computer. Now all you got to do is go ahead and open up iTunes on your computer and make sure you have the latest firmware, the 6.1.3 or 6.1.4 downloaded, and put it on your desktop. As you can see, I have mine right there. And then all you got to do is, on a Mac is hold the Option/Alt key, or on PC hold the Shift key and then click on Restore. As you can see, it brings up Finder window here, and then you go ahead and select on which firmware you would like to restore to. So as you can see, I'm doing the 6.1.4 for my iPhone 5. So we go ahead and click Open, and then iTunes will erase and restore your iPhone to 6.1.4 and will verify the restore with Apple. Go ahead and click on Restore. And now it's going to go ahead and go through its whole process, so I'm going to go ahead and speed this up for you guys. So there you go guys, as you can see I have downgraded from iOS 7 back down to 6.1.4 on my iPhone 5. Again, the links are down in the description for the firmware downloads and also the little guide showing you which firmware you actually need for what device you have and what carrier. And that's going to be it for this video guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If it helped you out, definitely throw me a thumbs up. That helps me out tremendously. Also, if you guys want to see more tutorials or reviews or guides like this, be sure to click that subscribe button. This has been Jeremy with Everything iDevice, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.